Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually with Smith Elementary in Tenafly, New Jersey. And it was an honor to get to see everyone. Obviously, I wish I was in person, but I'm here at my home in Michigan, and we had to do things online for now. But it was a beautiful morning, getting to talk about the theme for today, which was all about diversity, our differences, and that we learn to appreciate and honor all those differences, whether they're on the outside or on the inside, no matter how we're born, no matter if we come from money or don't, whether we have a different skin color than someone else, if someone else is disabled, if they wear glasses or don't wear glasses, if they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, we can still appreciate everyone, based on their culture, their background. Anything that might separate us, we can look at it, we can really look to it as an opportunity to connect us, right? And again, those are on the outside, but also on the inside. Our gifts, our talents, our abilities, that we learn to appreciate all of that we can really, truly respect everyone. And so we shared some different stories. We shared some inspirational videos, obviously some positive music as well, to really focus on not only that topic, but the other sub-theme, which was needing human kindness. And just like my shirt says, the logo for this assembly, which says need human kindness, you can see that the peace sign is inside the heart, and that's where peace has to begin, right? That's where peace starts. And once we really understand that and also know the need for this kindness in this world that it desperately needs, we can go out and be that positive change for this planet. And it's so important that we show this kindness, because it's not just done to the person that we show it to, but it could also affect someone's heart in an amazing way. Somebody that just sees that kindness or hears that kindness, it could also really change them, maybe forever. So we can look for opportunities and ways to keep showing more love, keep showing more compassion, respect. And this capping off the week of respect for 2020, we don't want it to end here. We want to take this above and beyond, to keep showing that unconditional love, to really keep showing that kindness matters. And that's how we start to change this world, is one act of kindness at a time. Again, thank you so much for letting me speak to all of you. Hope to see you again in the near future. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out my website too to follow my journey all across the U.S. as I keep sharing my heart at schools just like yours. And you can look at the playlist for other videos just like this one. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell to get updates on clips just like this. Much love. Peace.